The parents of a 26-year-old American woman who was killed in St. James 2 years ago are outraged that the police investigation into the murder appears to be heading nowhere. The family recently visited the country in their quest for answers. TVJ's O'Shane Masters has more.
A mother desperate for answers into what led to her daughter's death 2 years ago. In an exclusive interview with TVJ News, Andrea Gibbon says she's upset with the Jamaican government and the police in how they are handling her case. The body of her daughter, Desiree Gibbon, was found with her throat slashed in bushes near the Long Hill Main Road in St. James on November 25, 2017. Mrs. Gibbon told TVJ News that 2 years later, the police say no suspect has been identified despite interviews and access to CCTV footage.
We have hired an international investigator to come and help us, so I'm hoping that that will help, because I just feel like the day I took Desiree's body home, December of 2017, the Jamaican authorities just really forgot about her and just closed the case.
Mrs. Gibbon says she tried many avenues to get help.
There's not a day that goes by that we don't seek for answers, look for assistance. I've contacted the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, on many occasions. He's yet to even respond back, or his office respond back. And you're doing all these wonderful things that you want to clean up the island and do great and reduce the crime, but start with this. Start with an American citizen who was murdered here.
But why does she spend so much to come to Jamaica on a yearly basis?
I feel like I need to come here. I don't want Jamaica to forget about Desiree. I don't want her to have been murdered with no just cause or without anybody being held responsible. So I will keep coming back on the anniversary of her murder every year until we have answers.
O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.